Hi. Hello everybody, I'm the potato, and what if I wore it like this? Another I don't know how to use this microphone. I'm just gonna do like a little mic test, to see if it's too loud or too quiet. Mr. Beast! Let's talk about Mr. Beast for a sec, okay? Mr. Beast is America's Elon Musk. You've seen this guy around. I'm not even gonna tell you too much about him, except that he makes food now. Isn't that cool? This man has so much clout that you pay him to eat his nuts. You pay him so your kids can drink his piss. You tell a 12-year-old, what do you want to be when you grow up? And they most likely will say, Mr. Beast! Now let me tell you something. Mr. Beast actually makes his own burger. Here's what it looks like. It's pretty sick. I have no interest in a Mr. Beast burger, so I went off my day Mr. Beast free, mind off my head, whatever that means. But let me tell you, Mr. Beast is so influential that he actually paid off 2 random strangers to come to my house, kidnap me, and make them buy his whole fucking menu. That's a lie. I only bought like 3 things. Why would Mr. Beast do that? Well, he's actually trying to leech off of me. He wants more clout, so he decided to kidnap. I didn't want to make a Mr. Beast figure. I didn't want to. I was just dragged into this situation.
Legit dick away, Walter. I'm not having sex with you right now, Walter.
Can I not say this? I need content.
Sorry. There's like
I'll get it back.
There's like no cohesion.
Mr. Beast!
Well, that doesn't matter because we're gonna go see Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast.
Oh, that's how they got Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast!
Yo, you just crossed the red light. That's crazy.
That was yellow.
Don't see that. Don't say that. It was yellow. It was yellow.
Damn, this road's bumpy.
Not as rough as your mom.
I said bumpy.
Not as rough as your mom.
Succulent arrangement.
Where the wild things grow. You know what else grows? Me when I see your mom.
This is what we're getting.
Big up.
Big up.
This is the Mr. Beast burger.
How do you like your new burger, buddy?
This is great.
That's nice.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
love Mr. Beast.
Yeah. We love Mr. Beast burger because they have signed a contract.
Yeah.
Dogs!
We need the dog.
Dogs!
I love ducks.
There's like 2 ducks here.
You know what's my favorite type of duck?
This is education.
Yeah.
Spit some duck facts. Duck. Come on.
Duck, quick.
That's a bird.
They're very
Yeah.
Duck's penis is corkscrew shape.
Why do you know that? Oh, sorry.
What is wrong?
Yeah. My social security number 2. I should definitely give that out.
Mr. Beast burger.
It's like a baby.
If you're a true fan, send me a clip of you kicking a baby.
No. That would be sick.
No, it wouldn't.
Well, seeing toddlers fall is funny, right? You feel safe around me, right?
It's not a good question.
Oh,
Like,
you look so good. You're good looking, bro. No homo. Your face is actually being blasted by the sun right now. You look white.
You don't have much time in the world to live.
Yeah.
We're gonna kill you after this.
Yeah. Goodbye, sweet world.
But you get to enjoy the one last delicacy.
The Mr. Beast burger.
Yeah. God's gift to mankind.
I gotta really ponder about this.
Let us think.
Let us pray.
Let us pray for our meal.
That's how we started off with a prayer.
We got the Mr. Beast burger. Look! They come with little stickers. Look at that! Wow!
Wow.
Collectibles for you to keep.
It's definitely upside down.
Oh, yeah. 100% upside down.
Look, it says chicken.
They actually have different things. So those are the fries.
Those are the fries, and this is the
Okay.
chicken. So okay, that's nice. And this is the Mr. Beast burger.
Beast burger! Yeah, the YouTuber thing.
Poggers.
This is gonna fall.
That's fine.
It's really not. We don't want our holy sustenance to fall on the floor.
Look, Mr. Beast condiments.
Those are just
Mr. Beast condiments.
Mr. Beast
Ah!
Yeah! I
One
can't
for
believe
you.
this.
One for you.
I'm keeping this.
I'm gonna give it to you.
I'm gonna praise it.
Did they just give you one? Oh.
We're gonna show this off to the end, right? So you
That's
watch
what
the
I've been
video.
saying.
That's for life.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Alright, we're gonna start with the lamest to the big. fastest, okay?
Alright, wait.
Here's the full experience. Check this out. Here's me peeling off the sticker. ASMR for you.
It's really not peeling off,
Shit,
isn't
I
it?
could have sold this. Look at that! Look at that!
Oh.
Editor! Compare it to the compare it to the menu item. Oh, that's cool.
It does not look very good. I'm gonna be honest.
Are you disappointed?
No, I
No?
love Mr. Beast.
Oh,
I
I
love
love
Mr.
Mr.
Beast.
Beast.
Look at, I don't know if you can see it, but look, camera. Get your face out of here. Look, that I thought that was I thought that was meat, but what is that thing?
It's basically this.
It looks like
Essentially this.
looks like you pick your booger.
It does a little bit. Yeah. I don't
That's
know what
awesome.
I don't know what this is, but
While you take a bite.
Yeah, taste it, Mocha.
this for science. What is that?
I hear a pop in your mouth.
Yeah. What is that actually?
That's not normal. Well, let's eat the actual dish.
I'll eat the full experience.
Oh, okay.
I'm getting straight into the content.
Yeah.
It just says caramelized onions, American cheese, pickles, mayo, ketchup,
Oh.
and mustard.
What?
That ketchup does not taste good.
Yeah, that does have.
Look at how much.
That is a
This is
very
burnt
strong
onion.
onion.
Yeah.
It's like more onion than flour.
And it's a little tiny onion. I know it. Here,
No,
cover
you're-
for me. Cover for me. Pretend you're him. Pretend you're him.
I'm him.
Here. Put some glasses on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, here you go. They'll never
yeah.
know. Here you go. Thank you. Cover it, potato.
Hey boys, it's the potato here. Very cool guy. It's very top loaded, you see?
Super top.
Like there's all the stuff right in the middle and the top, but underneath, you can see, I don't know if you can see this on the camera, there's nothing underneath. So it's just the top layer that has the like loaded stuff,
Yeah.
but none of the fries are made. So I guess because of that, let's just try a normal fry then.
The fries themselves are very mid. They don't have a lot of seasoning. There's not too much.
They're also like very, very soft,
Yeah.
like almost soggy.
Yeah. That might have been because we drove them over here to pick up. Oh, thank you.
Thanks,
Yeah.
not potato.
That was a ghost right
Potato.
there.
It's very underwhelming.
A little bit, yeah.
What would you rate it out of a beast, Mr. Beast?
Out of a Mr. Beast, I'd rate it like 0.25 Mr. Beast.
0.25 Mr. Beast.
I don't know where that lines up on the scale, but I'll agree with it.
So-
point one.
So
A low
that's-
mid.
0.5.
for you non-intelligent viewers, that's 1 out of 10 for him, and like 2.5 for both of us out
It's
of
like
10.
1/4
Yeah.
Mr. Beast.
You go by
So out of
fives.
$1, it's
We're
1/4.
going by fives?
Are you going by fives?
Yeah, my bad.
We can't have that. We cannot.
It should just be simple.
This is a chicken?
This is the chicken.
Alright.
Beast. I don't know what I think it's literally just called chicken sandwich.
The Beast chicken.
Oh, that looks.
Do we have a way to like split this, or are we just gonna take a bite on
I
each
forgot to
side?
bring a knife. But like, check this out.
That is indeed a chicken sandwich.
It's a chicken sandwich. If you want to look inside it, here we go.
Wow. That
Wow,
is...
wow, 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 wow. That's just 2 chicken tenders. Look at this.
Oh, they just fell out.
Well, now it's 1 chicken
There.
tender. Bless
God
you.
bless you.
It looks fine.
God bless you.
God bless this
Right
food.
here. Like the first...
There we go. Here,
The
one
first-
for you.
Okay.
And one for you.
What about you?
Thank you.
It's on my
That is
sauce.
crisp. It's crispy.
That chicken's good.
Yeah, chicken's not bad.
Yeah, it's a very standard sandwich. I wouldn't say there's anything like
Nothing
off-putting.
too special
Yeah.
about it. Alright, it's like very mid.
It's kind of boring.
There's like 0.5 out of 1 Mr. Beast.
It's good. It's a good.
It's not bad. Very mid.
6 out of 1 Mr. Beast.
0.6.
Right here.
He's being generous. I'd say it's like pretty mid.
I give it a 3.5 Mr. Beasts.
Yeah. I'll just put this here.
Oh wait, no, we gotta finish it. Otherwise, like, the viewers are gonna be like, "Oh, a child in Africa could have eaten that," and we would be
I
like,
mean, I'll eat it.
"You guys are privileged Latinos," including you.
You're an honorary
Honorary.
Latino.
I like how you said we have to finish this one, but not the fries.
You don't have to finish it. I was joking. You're good.
Well, now you made me feel bad, so I'm gonna eat it.
Oh, okay. You feel bad for
What about the children in Africa?
Yeah. You feel bad for the children?
Yeah.
The
I gotta eat
kids.
it for them now.
Oh, you're thinking about the kids. Okay.
Thinking
That's
about the
nice.
This is for the kids. It's finally time.
For reasons, but we have hit the main event. Hold up. I have to make it like epic. Like You know, like
Yeah, put big editor.
Whoa! Oh, it's sick. Oh my god, I can't contain it. It's the beast. The beast is about to unleash. Oh, it's the beast burger. Oh my god. I can't contain myself. Get it together. Mr.
Someone grab a Bible.
Alright.
Moment we've all been waiting for. It's
First
so
impression?
it's so epic that the sticker doesn't tear off. So I can actually sell
You
this.
can keep this.
One lucky potato viewer will be sent this to the mail.
I'm gonna be
Subscribe for now for a free sticker.
I'm gonna be viewing this video. Can I have it?
Alright, you lost your chance. Every other viewer, you lost your chance.
Alright. I won. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, sorry.
It's a limited time only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First come, first shows.
Tough luck, guys.
Sorry.
Sorry, I don't make the rules.
Well, I'm
Sorry.
not, because I won. I'm actually really happy.
You know what, guys? Actually, fuck you.
Alright, ready? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you ready for
Yes.
this? This history moment.
History is coming out.
Check this
right now.
out.
It does look like
I just see yellow wrapper from where I'm at.
Doesn't that look so nice? Looks appetizing, doesn't it? That is the
Yeah,
beast
look at
burger.
that.
Look at that. That is so sick. You would eat that?
Yeah, I'd eat that.
I'd eat that paper.
I would also.
No, that's the burger.
Oh,
I'd eat that too.
It's so good that the human mind can't even comprehend what it looks like. It's just a yellow blob.
It's just too powerful.
We just can't comprehend it.
Thank you, Mr. Beast. This was so beautiful. So beautiful. Thank you for sponsoring us, Mr. Beast. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you, Mr. Beast. Send me your ring. Give me your ring. Give me the kids. Give me your kids. Here, for real, here's what it looks like. That's pretty cool.
It does look like a burger. We really should have brought a knife, huh?
Who needs
Well,
knives when
that's
you
a
got
fun-
when you got grippers? Okay, here.
This is,
Like a wishbone. You get whoever gets the biggest piece gets the free wish.
you got the free
Well,
wish.
there's
I
some
got
of,
most of them. in
there's some of those like seed things in here as well.
Oh no.
Or do you really not like those?
It's got onion. Look how chunky these onions are. Oh,
That's okay. It was just a piece.
that's
of
in my
rice.
carpet. That's gonna get lost.
Alright.
Yeah. Hold up. Viewers, if you're in the market for a carpet, don't get the one I got. This one. It will literally consume your keys
It'll consume you.
It'll eat
and your children.
Yeah. Keep your kids away.
Give me your children.
You?
Yeah.
I'd rather trust anyone else.
You want to trust a content creator, a YouTuber, to look after your kids?
No, because you'll do like, does this bullet go through this bulletproof vest?
How many kids does it take to stop a bullet? Oh my god. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'm crunching on a huge onion.
Sorry, I just heard like all the squishes of the in unison of the bite. Okay.
This is below average.
Yeah. That mustard is potent.
That's Mr. Beast inside.
That's not the mustard. That's his essence.
The spirit of Mr. Beast going through me. That's what it feels like.
It's very okay. Like, it's very underwhelming.
Underwhelming? What do you mean underwhelming?
I mean, I love Mr. Beast. He's a great sponsor us.
The meat itself, at least in this part, is well seasoned, I think, for me.
The meat is
Well
like
cooked.
very differently cooked, it feels like.
Yeah.
Like it's cooked more here and less at other points.
Oh, for
It's just like that weird mustard taste and like the seed.
Yeah.
That makes it weird. But other than that, this is also mid.
No, this is like
It tastes like someone wanted to make something exciting, you know? It's like
yeah,
it's-
like they tried too hard.
It's a mid.
Okay, but listen,
Okay.
listen to me. Say some good stuff, cause I want money. You know who Mr. Beast is? Mr. Beast is like PewDiePie. He's like everyone loves Mr. Beast, right? And he gives money. He gives money.
I love
Give
Mr.
me
Beast.
some. Give me some. Yeah. Give that. Yeah. What do you say? What do you say? What do you say?
I love Mr. Beast.
I love Mr. Beast.
Yeah.
I love money. Mr. Beast. I like Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, we would love to have you in the Potato Channel.
Come here.
Yeah.
Now. Please.
We love Mr. Beast. 5 Mr. Beasts out of 10. The only thing that was underwhelming was the fries. Everything else was just
Very okay.
okay. Like that one punch man. Right. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I love
Editor, put that on.
Put that on. That's my reaction to this film.
Okay. Scam me for free stuff.
You like free stuff?
You know what? I don't have free stuff. But you, the viewer, you may like free stuff.
Come here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got long arms.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, if you want
There
free
you go.
stuff,
Get
go
your
in there.
Free stuff. There's definitely stuff in here, don't you worry.
Imagine the editor just takes it.
I'm so glad to be here. I'm actually super excited because I love Mr. Beast.
I love Mr. Beast.
This food was amazing. I'm gonna be coming here every day of my life, provided that Mr. Beast gives me a large sum of money to do so. I mean, I'm gonna do it anyway, huh?
Yes.
No large amount of money would make me want to eat this thing again. I hate you. I hate all of you. I hate you. I hate Mr. Beast.
We love Mr. Beast.
Subscribe if you love Mr. Beast.
We love
He's not
Mr.
here.
Beast.
He said something really mean real quick. We'll take care of him. And then
Mr. Beast, I have a collaborative idea, okay? Hear me out. Dessert is going to be brownies, right? But we call it Mr. Beast shit, right? So, introducing the new Mr. Beast combo, piss, shit, and cum. I don't know what I'm doing. Thank you for watching. I'm going to go kill myself.